At FLOGEN SIPS 2025, Nobel Laureate Professor Aaron Ciechanover, 2004 Nobel Laureate in Chemistry, will deliver a plenary lecture titled Ubiquitin Proteolytic System, From Basic Mechanisms Through Human Diseases and On to Drug Development. In this groundbreaking talk, Professor Ciechanover will explore the critical role of the ubiquitin proteolytic system in cellular biology, its implications in human diseases, and how this knowledge is driving the development of novel therapeutic drugs. Attendees will gain unique insights from one of the world's most influential chemists, whose pioneering work continues to shape the frontiers of biomedical science. Join us from November 17th to 20th, 2025 at the Dusit Thani Mactan Resort in Cebu, Philippines, and join the global dialogue driving innovation. Submit your abstract at flogen.org/SIPS2025 under the submission column. SIPS, organized by FLOGEN Stars Outreach, a not-for-profit organization, advancing sustainability since 2003.